The rings got a little.
The valves.
Oh yeah, the valves. That's probably where we lost some compression too. Yeah. Well, see, we just realized the valves that was in this thing is.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work till I got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I more rest in the
see, and they were like, I guess this is like one of the original.
And they put the low quality valves in it.
Yeah, and let's show them the new ones compared to these. These right here, they're these are titanium ones right here.
Yeah, I'll do that.
They got a little star on them and stuff, and they're pretty cool. These are updated like sets. We checking to make sure that.
So you get the little.
Check that out. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool right there. These right here don't have that. So
yeah, these are a lot better valves.
And we was checking to make sure these are seated properly, and they're not.
Oh, they're leaking like crazy.
They're leaking. Yeah, exactly.
3 out of the 4 are leaking.
So that's where we're losing a lot of compression. I think. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. There's a lot of compression.
So that's where the compression is going. Or these right here. I bet over the rings. Rings probably fine. We already got new rings coming though. We'll be here tomorrow. We're debating on whether to put the cast piston back in or put the dome forged piston in. You know, for street, because you want a good street. You know, you don't want all race parts.
That's why it's held up this long.
Exactly. I'm debating on. I wish I could just find a dang flat top, you know, or just forged piston. It'd be nice, but they're hard to find.
They make them.
I know they make them, but it's hard to find one. If I can find one on the line right now, I'll buy one. But we're working on a sucker right now. We're trying to get it all taken care of, and which now, as you can see, also with this head, you see these right here. These are the aftermarket ones. The ones we got with it were not. They were not like that.
They were stamped steel.
They were just like I mean, yeah. I was like, what the heck's up with that? Why would they come to performance head? Performance parts.
That we just realized also that they sell upgrade valve spring.
Yeah, right. Upgrade valve springs.
Because apparently they just used stock like cheaper quality parts whenever they were assembling the head.
That's kind of crazy.
It don't know where at all, hardly.
Anything. It looks good in here. Look at this.
I mean, it looks almost like new steel. It's still got the damn crosshatch marks.
Yeah, the home marks are still in there perfectly. Yeah. I mean, oh shit.
It's leaking a little.
That's some bitch. How much more shit's in here? I wonder. Look, you see those crosshatch? You can see them. Dude, you can see them right here perfectly.
I know.
But they're like glass in there. Look at that.
Crosshatch marks.
They look good in there. Everything looks just fine in there. Yeah. So I mean, it looks like it's gonna turn out pretty good. We just got to get this stuff, the parts coming in.
Head fixed for me, man.
Yeah, get the head fixed. I'm gonna send the head home with him, so he's gonna take care of that. You get a tool? You got the tool?
The valve spring compression?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what I was wondering if you had it or not. So yeah, he's made his own valve compression tool. To be able to get those out of there. So pretty slick.
Actually, I made it for that head.
Yeah, right. So what? It's a little bit of bitch to get those out, wasn't it? A little bit smaller.
It wasn't that bad, but yeah.
Basically, what he did was he took
it was a big ass
C clamp, and he took
that was broken, and I took and found a socket, and that was the right diameter around, and I actually tack welded a washer up inside of the socket to where that it would go over it and push the keeper down.
And it works.
It works good.
It works just fine. I mean,
I actually cut a window out in the socket so that you can get a magnet in there to fish the keepers out.
Damn right. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool setup how he's got it going. So
it works good. It
works really good. Yeah.
It works.
His bike's about done too. Tell me about your bike.
Yeah, I've got it back together. Second time's a charm. Woo!
There was 6 time charm. Yeah.
I hope.
Well, it's kind of that piston I gave you. Kind of went poo-pooey.
Yeah.
I mean, it fell apart. The piston literally, I swear to God, the piston fell apart.
Not just that, the head stud is like just trying to pull out on that one side of the block.
Ah, that's right.
Where I didn't have the regular cutout tool.
Did you use that other block or that other?
The other half.
That's what I was wondering. Yeah.
That one block.
You had to, didn't you? Yeah.
Yeah, it worked good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And our tool, I need to get that one back from Matt. This tool right here is the updated version is so much better.
Here, I'll show you. Watch this. I got it set right now. Look. Okay, you got to start it out of the hole. Look here. Look. It fits in there now.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, it wants to hit the sides there. Yeah.
They made the stud diameter too big. Like they got like a little shoulder on
right. That's kind of weird.
And the shoulder's so large that like you can't start cutting.
That makes no sense how it would do that.
It's hitting those legs. Look.
Huh? Me and Matt, we did that one over there in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, because the tater tools actually have these little aluminum legs that come down.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe we should switch the legs on it. Get some different legs put on this thing. We switch that. I bet it work a lot better. You know what?
Smaller diameter stud.
I bet if we switch the legs on it, it'd work a lot better.
If it didn't have those big shoulders right there on the bolts,
right,
it would work.
That's all we gotta do. Switch it to make it work. Okay, that's what we'll do then. Just an update on the tool. I got that one with those one motors. I got $200 and I got like four 2-stroke motors that were pretty sweet motors actually.
Yeah.
And that comes with a lot of parts. We're actually making a 100cc one out of one of them. It's at his place. It's looking cool too, isn't it?
Yeah.
It'll be badass when we get done with that one. It'll be sweet. I can't wait to see it. So much go. I thought we should take that long case over and see if we can make that one side to it. Make it, you know, I heard people make hybrids out of those. They take that one out there and it's like a hybrid. They take the one off the Thunder bike for the Adley.
Yeah.
They use that case and then and then they use the other half the case.
Then we can run the bigger wheel.
Yep, run the bigger wheel. Yep, you can run 12s on that so much.
That's right.
I mean, you run 12s on it. That'd be cool. So we're gonna jump off here. 6 minutes in, so we gotta go. To be continued. Yeah, boy.